Oh, hey, all you viewers, my name later. How we doing today? Well, today's kind of like the start to something interesting on my channel. All right. Now, as a lot of you know, with watching like the Step Parent series and everything else, we've been playing a lot of Assassin's Creed Valhalla in the house. You know, we've been getting in like drinking horns. There's a little problem. That horn needs something in there, right? So I've been doing some research, and this video is kind of like the kickoff to me attempting to make the world's oldest fermented beverage. That's right, I'm going to try to make mead at home. Now I know, you're going, hey, you're stupid, you're an idiot, you got to do all this stuff, you're not a homebrewer. Yeah, great. It's just basically water, honey, and yeast, and leave it alone. So, I'm going to be learning a whole bunch of new stuff as I go. I mean, okay, so I got my 1 gallon carboy with the neat little, rubber stopper top, which is going to allow for that dude, the little gas trap or whatever, to let the carbon monoxide out, all that fun stuff. I got me a little hydrometer, little siphon, because I don't know about you, I'm really not in the mood to try to pick up this when it's all full of sticky goodness and try to pour it into things. I figured let's go a little bit easier, let's try a siphon. And yeah, I got one of those little pre-made kits, which came with yeast and what they call yeast nutrients, but this is just kind of the starter. I just wanted to go, we're going to try to make mead. I know my first couple are going to be horrible. All right. I've tried making home beer before, home brewing before. And yeah, it was all done with like one of those Mr. Beer kits. So it's really simple. Boil your water, dump everything in, stir it around, dump your yeast in, close the top, leave it alone. So this is going to be an interesting experience. And I hope all of you will come along for the ride. This is just kind of the introduction video, going, I have no clue what I'm about to do. I've watched some YouTube videos. I've read a couple books on it. It looks really simple. But there's the catch. It's never that simple, is it? So, at least we've got the basic what to put the must into, where to leave it alone, all that fun stuff. And this is going to be interesting. Now, granted, I'm shooting this on December 29th, 2020, which is a Tuesday, and I won't be able to go shopping till, like, January 2nd to pick up, like, the honey and some other stuff I think I'm going to need. So, this is the start. I don't know what else to say other than, this is going to be a fun one. But, as usual, I'd love to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, and anger right down below. I know it's a short video. For this channel, that's saying something, right? But still, for you first-time viewers on my channel, man, you picked a weird one. Seriously. I just... That's for the thumbnail. Okay. I'm not sure how this is going to go. I'm not sure where it's going to go. I got to be honest with you. I don't know. But we're going to find out together. And that's part of the fun. So, for you first-timers and long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? You're going to do two things for me here really, really quick that won't cost you anything but a second or two of your life. Check down there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Here's the first thing. Click on it. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Seriously, go ahead, subscribe. It's only going to take you but a moment, and it's free. That could be potentially life-changing for a YouTuber's channel. And yeah, that's my son over there dropping off stuff. I have no idea what he's dropping off, but we'll check it in a moment. It looks like mail call. Woo! That could be potentially changing for a YouTuber if you just hit subscribe on the videos that you like. Here's the other thing. Destroy that little bell icon that's right next to it, okay? That way you're going to get notified every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 of them are going to be popping up somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But guys, yeah, so welcome along for the ride. We're going to make mead on this channel. How's it going to go? I don't know. It's going to be about a 2-month process, but we're going to get through it. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope all of you are being safe. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video.